So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Audi RS7, and this thing features a few different drive modes, which Audi calls the Audi Drive Select. And I wanted to take time to go through those drive modes, showcase what changes, as well as showcase the unique RS modes of the vehicle. So there's the Audi Drive Select buttons down here, but there's also the RS mode button right here on the steering wheel. So pushing this will switch you between the 3 different drive modes, and pushing this will switch you between your 2 customizable RS modes, which you can think of more as personalized modes. So how you can adjust between different modes up on the navigation screen is this way. So first, if you're on the menu screen, swipe over, get to your app bubbles, locate the vehicle bubble. Then you're going to see Audi Drive Select. So this is where you can switch between comfort, auto, and dynamic, which will also raise and lower the vehicle based on the different drive modes. But over here on the right is where you can customize RS Mode 1 and RS Mode 2. Now RS Mode 1, you can switch between drive to be balanced sport, suspension, comfortable balanced sport, steering, comfortable balanced sport, the engine sound between quiet, automatic, and present, and quattro with sport differential between comfortable balance and sport. Now as you can see, there's nothing below that, but in RS2 mode you have all the same details, quattro with sport differential, and you got one more on RS mode 2, and that is the stability control, which you can switch between on and sport. But that is how easy it is to switch between the different drive modes in the Audi RS7. Thanks for watching.